If God willing, through this video, you will learn about the specifications, contents of the case and the price of the Realme C65 phone in the economic price category. Let's get to the details. Welcome back. We'll start with the normal specifications and start with the design. The back and frame of the phone are plastic and the front end is glass. The weight of the phone: 185 grams. The thickness is 7.7 millimeters. Length 164.6 millimeters. Width 76.1 millimeters. The phone is waterproof and dustproof with an IP54 rating. It supports two 4G SIM cards with the installation of a memory card. It supports the fingerprint on the power button and supports the face. Supports NFC technology in some markets. It also supports the OTG file transfer function. There is a headphone jack. Supports photo, video, and document editor. Android 14 operating system with Realme UI 5.0 interface. Phone colors: black, purple, and gold. Battery: 5000 mAh with 45 watts fast charger and Type-C charging port. Storage space: the phone has 3 versions: 6GB RAM and 128GB, 8GB RAM and 128GB, 8GB RAM and 256GB. It supports the installation of a memory card, and the RAM is doubled through the software. Screen: IPS LCD with a size of 6.7 in HD plus quality with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a pixel density of 264 pixels per inch, and the brightness is 625 nits. It supports night mode and eye protection. Processor: from MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core 12nm manufacturing technology. Mali G52 graphics processor. Cameras: first, the front camera. It has a resolution of 8 megapixel with a 2.0 aperture and supports shooting videos in full HD at a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the rear cameras: dual lens with LED flash. The first camera has a resolution of 50 megapixel with an aperture of 1.8. The second camera has a resolution of 2 megapixel for isolation with a lens aperture of 2.4. The rear camera supports HDR and shooting videos in full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The contents of the phone case: the phone has security charger head, USB Type-C cable pod, metal pin, instructions for use, warranty certificate. Summary: to know if the phone is worth buying or not. For the economic price category, the phone offers good performance in any use, but it is not the best as you would expect because it has economical specifications. The phone is good and unquestionable, and the battery lasts for a long time in all uses throughout the day. In addition, the phone supports the AI gestures feature to make remote movements without touching, such as browsers and videos. It also supports the mini capsule feature such as iPhone phones. As for the price of Realme C65, for 8GB RAM and 256GB, about $155. It should be noted that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. Each country has its economic conditions. So we have finished the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, do not skimp on support. Like it, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.